Hello, my name is Andrea Rodriguez and I'm accompanied by Claudia González Cedeño. Together we will present the Workplace Evaluation Laboratory. Evaluation area. The focus of our evaluation will be the kitchen of Agape Kafé. The kitchen area is a multifunctional space where you can find equipment and utensils, and it also serves as a storage area to organize ingredients and to prepare the diverse menu options. Agape Kafé kitchen has undergone many changes to address the increasing need for additional space. Here we can see the actual design of the kitchen. As we can see, the kitchen is not located in a rectangular area, but rather as you approach the sink part, its width decreases by 8 inches. To carry out this laboratory, we will concentrate on the stove area, which has 2 burners and a griddle located on top of a 2-door refrigerator. Also, we will talk about the pans hanging on the wall behind the cooking space.
Hello there and welcome back. I'm Claudia González Cedeño, and as my partner Andrea said, we're going to be talking about the workplace evaluation that was done at Agape Kafé. For the evaluation procedure, during our visit to the coffee shop, we first conducted an interview to the owner, posing specific questions to the problems that were brought to our attention in our last visit. Second, as the closing time approached, we took pictures and measurements of the kitchen area. This thorough assessment aims to provide a comprehensive layout and help us know potential improvements to the safety within the kitchen. Findings in the assessment. It was observed that despite the owner's best efforts to optimize the space throughout the years, the kitchen is still a relatively small space. A notable safety concern is that where most of the food is being cooked is in a 2 portable induction cooktop. These 2 cooktops are placed in a 2-door refrigerator surface, lacking secure stability. Now, beyond the safety issues that this imposes, it is also a limitation that significantly impacts the efficiency of the cooking process, resulting in considerable delays. Another noteworthy aspect is that since the kitchen has a limited space, it only allows for 1 person to be inside the kitchen. Addressing this limitation could contribute to a better workflow within the kitchen. Now, for the evaluation recommendation, we have several recommendations. I'm going to first start with upgrading the cooktop facility. How can we do this? We can explore built-in cooktop options that are securely integrated into the countertops. Second, safety enhancement. Ensure that there are clear pathways and that all items are stored in a safe and accessible manner for the employee. Then, multifunctional appliances that can perform multiple tasks to save space, since this is a big concern.
The ceiling rack can hang directly above the stove. Currently, the pans are hanging in the wall behind. In order to use them, the employee must adopt uncomfortable positions, such as extending their extremities over, which can cause fatigue due to holding and making of repetitive movements. Moreover, the use of a metal step stool can minimize the risk of burns due to proximity of the upper extremities to the heat of the burners.
Now, going back to the first 2 recommendations that we have, I recommend that they invest on an electric stove top with a built-in griddle. This is a practical and space-saving solution. This not only eliminates the needs of a griddle and the 2 induction portable cooktops, but provides a flexibility to use either the cooktop or the griddle independently. Since we can remove the griddle anytime we want, it simplifies the cleaning and maintenance. making the kitchen a more hygienic place. Also, the integration of these appliances can improve safety by reducing the risk of using a portable setup. Lastly, the smaller dimensions of the proposed electric stovetop not only contributes to a more space-efficient kitchen layout, but it also addresses some safety concerns that were brought to our attention in the previous Q&A. This thoughtful design allows a safer and more comfortable layout for the cooking environment. We are going to be showing the stove top that we recommend. Showing the stove top with the grill. The price is $1,124 with a discount of 10%, and the dimensions are 32 inches width, 22 inches length. Now we are going back to Andrea for her to talk about her recommendations to the kitchen of the Agape Kafé.
Another recommendation as the result of our evaluation is a ceiling rack for pots and pans to avoid risk. The investment of a 32-inch ceiling rack is approximately of $30 with a discount. This ceiling rack can support up to 80 pounds of weight, and its height can be adjusted depending on need. And the integration of a metal step stool to increase accessibility. The investment in a metal step stool is approximately of $20.99 with discount. Its height can also be adjusted as needed, and it provides support up to 330 pounds of weight. Its surface have a covering material which provides grip and prevents falls. As a conclusion, after conducting observations, we were able to make different recommendations providing improvement for ergonomics and a safer environment. To prevent musculoskeletal injuries or fatigue due to repetitive movement or poor posture, various alternatives were sought that will give the business flexibility in terms of cost, but will have a significant impact in their daily work. As part of our work as an industrial engineer, we must be able to analyze and identify improvements in every environment, taking in account all aspects and thus achieving greater efficiency. In the Q&A section, we asked the owner and employee, what limitations do you have when you cook? The answer was, the most frequent orders requires the use of portable burners, but the size limitation leads to delay in food preparation. Another major limitation was various strategies have been explored in order to optimize the kitchen space, but it has not been possible to organize the pans more safely and efficiently.
Now that we're done with our presentation, we hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.